The anticipation for a new iPhone launch is palpable. It's a global phenomenon that brings together people from all walks of life, united by their excitement for the latest technological marvel. Each year, Apple enthusiasts and tech aficionados alike eagerly await the unveiling of the latest and greatest in mobile technology. The atmosphere at these events is electric, filled with the buzz of speculation and the thrill of discovery. Among the most anticipated features are always the advancements in iPhone camera capabilities. These innovations have consistently set new standards in the industry, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with a smartphone camera. Apple has consistently raised the bar for smartphone photography and videography, and the iPhone 16 Pro is no exception, captivating users with its groundbreaking features. The new camera system promises to deliver unparalleled image quality and versatility. From the very first iPhone, Apple has demonstrated its commitment to empowering users to capture and share their world through stunning images and videos. This tradition of innovation has been a cornerstone of Apple's philosophy. Over the years, we've witnessed the evolution of the iPhone camera, from its humble beginnings to its current position as a leader in mobile imaging. Each new model has brought with it significant improvements and new features that have redefined mobile photography. Each iteration brings with it innovative technologies and software enhancements that redefine what's possible with a smartphone camera. These advancements have made it easier than ever for users to capture professional quality photos and videos. The iPhone 4 introduced the Retina display, revolutionizing the way we view and share our photos. This high-resolution screen brought a new level of clarity and detail to our images, making every photo look stunning. The iPhone 5S brought us slow-motion video recording, allowing us to capture fleeting moments with incredible detail. This feature opened up new creative possibilities for users, enabling them to create dramatic and visually striking videos. And who can forget the introduction of portrait mode with the iPhone 7 Plus, which brought DSLR-like depth of field effects to the palm of our hands. This feature transformed the way we take portraits, adding a professional touch to our photos. Apple's dedication to innovation continues with the iPhone 16 Pro, a device that takes mobile photography and videography to unprecedented heights. The new camera system is designed to meet the needs of both amateur photographers and seasoned professionals. With its cutting-edge camera system, advanced software features, and seamless integration with other Apple devices, the iPhone 16 Pro empowers users to unleash their creativity and capture the world around them like never before. Whether you're taking photos, recording videos, or editing your work, the iPhone 16 Pro offers the tools you need to bring your vision to life. The iPhone 16 Pro marks a new chapter in the story of iPhone photography, setting a new standard for what we can expect from mobile cameras. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in what's possible with a smartphone camera, pushing the boundaries of mobile photography to new heights. Apple has packed the iPhone 16 Pro with an array of new features and enhancements that cater to both casual users and professional photographers and videographers, making it a versatile tool for all. One of the most significant upgrades is the introduction of a larger sensor, allowing for even more light to be captured in every shot, which is crucial for achieving high-quality images. This translates to brighter images with less noise, especially in low-light conditions, making night photography more impressive than ever before. The improved image signal processor, or ISP, works in tandem with the new sensor to deliver faster image processing, smoother video recording, and enhanced computational photography capabilities, ensuring every shot is perfect. Apple has also refined its computational photography algorithms, further blurring the lines between smartphone photography and professional-grade cameras, making it hard to tell the difference. Features like Deep Fusion and Smart HDR have been enhanced to produce images with incredible detail, dynamic range, and color accuracy, capturing every nuance and shade. But the innovations don't stop there. Apple continues to push the envelope with each new release. The iPhone 16 Pro also introduces a range of new video recording features that empower users to capture cinematic quality footage, making it a filmmaker's dream. With support for 4K resolution at 120 frames per second and Dolby Vision HDR, the iPhone 16 Pro allows you to record stunning slow-motion videos with vibrant colors and incredible dynamic range, bringing your creative visions to life. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts a triple camera system that works in perfect harmony to deliver exceptional image quality and creative flexibility. Each camera plays a specific role, allowing you to capture a wide range of perspectives and achieve stunning results in any shooting scenario. The primary wide-angle camera features a 48-megapixel sensor, a significant upgrade from the previous generation. This high-resolution sensor captures an incredible amount of detail, allowing you to crop into your images without sacrificing sharpness. The larger sensor also enables a wider aperture, allowing more light to reach the sensor for improved low-light performance. The ultra-wide-angle camera expands your field of view, allowing you to capture sweeping landscapes, architectural marvels, and group photos with ease. Apple has also improved the ultra-wide camera's lens design and sensor, resulting in sharper images with less distortion, even at the edges of the frame. The telephoto camera provides optical zoom capabilities, allowing you to get closer to your subjects without sacrificing image quality. The iPhone 16 Pro's telephoto camera offers a longer zoom range than its predecessors, giving you even more creative control over your compositions. Section 4, Camera Control, Your Vision, Your Command. Apple understands that photographers and videographers crave control over their craft. They know that every shot is a unique vision, a moment waiting to be captured perfectly. That's why the iPhone 16 Pro introduces a range of new camera control features that put you in the driver's seat, allowing you to fine-tune every aspect of your shots. From the moment you open the camera app, you'll notice the difference. One of the standout features is the ability to shoot in Apple ProRAW format. This format is a game changer for those who demand the highest quality. This format captures all the data from the camera sensor, giving you maximum flexibility in post-processing. You can bring out the finest details and make adjustments that were previously impossible. You can adjust white balance, exposure, and color grading with greater precision, resulting in stunning images that meet your exact specifications. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, these tools empower you to create your best work. The iPhone 16 Pro also introduces a new focus control mode, giving you even more creative freedom. This mode allows you to manually adjust the depth of field in your photos and videos. You can now control what stays sharp and what gets blurred. You can create beautiful bokeh effects, blurring the background to draw attention to your subject. This feature adds a professional touch to your portraits and close-ups. This feature, previously only available on dedicated cameras, gives you even more creative control over your mobile photography. It bridges the gap between smartphone and professional photography. For videographers, the iPhone 16 Pro offers a suite of professional-grade controls. These tools are designed to meet the demands of serious filmmakers. You can adjust frame rate, resolution, and bitrate on the fly, ensuring that your footage meets your specific needs. Whether you're shooting a documentary or a short film, you have the control you need. The improved stabilization features ensure smooth, cinematic quality videos, even when shooting handheld. This means you can capture professional-grade footage without the need for additional equipment. Section 5, Cinematic Brilliance, 4K at 120 FPS in Dolby Vision. The iPhone 16 Pro elevates your videography to new heights with its ability to record stunning 4K video at a buttery smooth 120 frames per second. This feature, previously only found in high-end professional cameras, unlocks a world of creative possibilities for capturing slow-motion footage. Imagine capturing the intricate details of a hummingbird's wings in flight, or the graceful movements of a dancer with incredible clarity and smoothness. With 4K resolution and a high frame rate, you can slow down the footage without sacrificing image quality, revealing every nuance and detail that would otherwise be missed by the naked eye. But the innovations don't stop there. The iPhone 16 Pro also supports Dolby Vision HDR recording, a feature that brings cinematic quality dynamic range and color reproduction to your videos. Dolby Vision HDR captures a wider range of colors and brightness levels, resulting in videos with more realistic highlights, deeper shadows, and vibrant, lifelike colors. Section 6, Soundscape Symphony, Studio Quality Audio Recording. Apple understands that audio is just as important as visuals when it comes to creating immersive videos and capturing precious memories. That's why the iPhone 16 Pro is equipped with studio-quality microphones and advanced audio recording capabilities. The iPhone 16 Pro features a system of multiple microphones that work together to capture rich spatial audio. Whether you're recording a live concert, a podcast, or simply a video chat with loved ones, the iPhone 16 Pro's microphones ensure that every word, every note, every subtle sound is captured with crystal clear fidelity. The audio recording capabilities of the iPhone 16 Pro extend beyond just capturing sound. The device also features advanced audio processing capabilities, including noise reduction and directional audio. These features allow you to isolate and enhance specific sounds in your recordings, creating professional-sounding audio tracks with ease. For filmmakers and content creators, the iPhone 16 Pro's audio recording capabilities are a game-changer. You can now capture high-quality audio directly on your iPhone, eliminating the need for bulky external microphones and audio recorders. This streamlined workflow allows you to focus on your creative vision and capture your story with stunning audio and visuals.